Hello everyone, it's me, Miss Hannah, and today we're going to do spelling inflectional endings with ed and ing, but these are going to have double consonants in them. Pretty cool, huh? And this is all in Unit 3, Week 5. So you will need pencil, paper, and your wonderful voice. So today we're working on inflectional endings. What are they? What does that mean? So I know if I thought of the ending of something as something that's last. We've been talking about inflections, so let's see. So an inflectional ending changes the meaning of the root word and creates a new word with a different meaning. So remember, we've been talking about adding ed to our root words. You may have seen this before. We have the word plant, like to plant something is the verb, or a plant is a noun. So it could be two different types of root words depending on how you're going to use them. So when you add ed to the end of that root word of plant, it tells us that it already happened. So I already planted the seeds in the yard. Okay, I planted them. Ed means it has already happened. Also remember when we would add ing to our word plant. So if you add ing to the end of the root word or verb, that means that it is happening now. So if I said planting, I would look and I would see someone planting at this very moment, present time. So now let's discuss double consonants. Okay, so we're going to still think about those same root words, but we are adding ing, but there's a reason why we have to double the consonant. So many words that end with a consonant, and those are the letters that aren't vowels, require that the ending consonant is double when you add a suffix to them. So a suffix is our endings, like our ed and ing. These suffixes can include ed to form the past tense and ing to form the present tense. And we have some examples right down here. So if you look, we would know that our root word would be stop. Because of this ending consonant with the vowel in front of it, we had to add another P. We have to double it to add ing. And sometimes I like to think of it as like the O and P are not strong enough to hold up the ing. So we need another consonant, that last consonant, to be doubled to add ing in order for it to be sturdy. So we have stop, we add ing, we double the P, stopping. Clap is our root word. We double the P to add ing. Our root word here is tap. We double the P here as well to add ing. And now we have our ed suffixes that we're adding to our root word. So we have stop, we double the P to add ed, making stopped. We have nap, we double the P to add ed, which gives us napped. And our root word of jog, we double the G and add ed to make jogged. So now we're going to build some words with inflectional endings. You might see some of the same ones, but let's just really see it so that we can watch it being done. I'm going to use my mouse. And we're using Basic Towels. The Basic Towels is the free app. So let's see. Let's start with our word stop. Stop. So we need an S, a T, because they come together and make st, a O, and P. All right, so we have stop. Let's make stop into stopping. I know that this last consonant and vowel combinations let me know that I need to add another P and then ing, stopping. Long word, huh? Stopping. Very good. So now I have my new word of stopping. So let's make another word with that same root word. We have stop. I'm going to change it to stopped. And I know, let's just try it this way. If I were to put the ed directly, oops, sorry, wrong letter. If I would put the ed directly on the end of my stopped root word, that doesn't say stopped anymore. That silent E right there is going to make my O so its name, so it says stoped. So I know right there that it is not correct. I need to add a P to it. Now it says stopped. All right, does everybody understand that? All right, let's try another one. I'm going to do one more. We're going to try the word tap. A. P. What word do we have? We have app, tap. So we're going to do the same thing. If I were to just add the ED on the end, that E and ED is like a silent E. It would make my A say its name. So my word is taped. I don't want tape. I want the word to be tapped. So I need to add another P to make sure that happens. So we have tapped, tapped. Good job. Now we know that that's there. We can add our ing. Same thing. Oh, I guess I moved the wrong P. Oh, I took my other P away, huh? I guess I'm moving too fast. I N and G. So now it's not saying taping, it's saying tapping. There you go. Good job. All right. So that is a conclusion of building inflections. Remember that when you add an ED to words, the consonant gets doubled. And when you add an ing, it's the same process. The consonant needs to get doubled. Until next time.